This is Wabi Hill. I'm outside and I'm hearing some strange freaking sounds. It's kind of scaring me. I'm not sure if it's aliens or what. I don't see nothing in the skies, but I'm looking. I'll be quiet so y'all can hear for a second. Tell me if y'all know what it is. It's not as loud as it was. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I see two lights. Hold on, there it is. What the hell was that? One of them was like flickering. Oh no, could this be? Oh no. I hope it's not what I think it is. Oh shit. People coming outside now looking. I don't know. We have to move in a little bit. What the crap? I can't pay my own hands. I can't get them over here again. Okay. People, I don't know. Look, one of them's been faded out. The other one's lit up better now. It's kind of scaring me. Awful freaking loud to be a UFO out there. I thought they were quiet. Look, one of them totally vanished. Oh, there he is. Oh, man. I can't make this much longer because my video memory is like getting low. But if I figure out what it is, I'll get back on here and tell y'all. Oh, man. I'm getting scared. I told y'all aliens were real.